Bow windows add charm, light, and dimension to Houston homes. Their graceful curve and extended glass panels create a panoramic view while making interior spaces feel larger and brighter. However, like any part of your home, bow windows do not last forever. Over time, Houston's heat, humidity, storms, and seasonal temperature swings can take a toll. Knowing when it's time to replace your bow windows can protect your comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. Here are the top signs it may be time to consider bow window replacement in Houston. Rising energy bills. Houston summers are long and intense. If you've noticed your cooling costs creeping up, your bow windows could be part of the problem. Older windows often lack modern insulation features such as double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and improved sealing technology. When seals fail or glass becomes less efficient, cool air escapes and outdoor heat seeps in. This forces your air conditioning system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Replacing outdated bow windows with energy-efficient models can significantly improve temperature control and reduce monthly expenses. Drafts and hot spots. Stand near your bow windows on a hot afternoon. Do you feel warm air coming in? Inconsistent temperatures near the window area are a strong sign of air leaks. Even small gaps in the frame or deteriorated weather stripping can allow Houston's humid air to enter your home. Drafts not only reduce comfort but also place stress on your HVAC system. Modern replacement bow windows are designed with tighter seals and advanced materials that block unwanted airflow, helping your home stay cool and consistent year-round. Visible damage or warping. Houston's climate can be tough on window materials. Prolonged sun exposure, heavy rain, and occasional storms can cause frames to warp, crack, or rot, especially in older wood windows. If you notice peeling paint, soft spots in the frame, or visible damage around your bow window structure, it may be time for a replacement rather than a simple repair. Structural damage can worsen over time and may even affect the surrounding wall if left untreated. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation inside your home is normal during high humidity. However, if you see fogging or moisture trapped between the panes of your bow window, that typically means the seal has failed. Once the insulating seal breaks, the window loses much of its energy efficiency. Moisture can also lead to staining and reduced visibility. Replacing the entire unit restores clarity and insulation performance, helping your home look better and function properly. Difficulty opening or closing. Bow windows often include operable sections for ventilation. If your windows stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it could signal frame distortion or hardware failure. Houston's humidity can cause expansion and contraction in certain materials, leading to operational issues. Struggling with windows isn't just inconvenient, it can also become a safety concern in emergencies. A new bow window system ensures smooth operation and improved security features. Outdated appearance. Bow windows are a focal point in many living rooms and front-facing spaces. If your windows look outdated or no longer match your home's style, replacement offers an opportunity for a fresh update. Modern bow windows come in a wide range of frame materials, colors, and grille patterns. Upgrading can dramatically improve curb appeal and even boost resale value. For Houston homeowners thinking about selling in the future, updated windows are a strong selling point. Excessive outside noise. Houston neighborhoods can be lively, with traffic, construction, and everyday activity. If outside noise seems louder than it used to, your bow windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Newer multi-pane windows are designed to reduce noise transmission, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Making the right decision. Replacing bow windows is an investment, but it's one that pays off in comfort, efficiency, and visual appeal. If you're experiencing rising energy bills, drafts, visible damage, condensation, operational issues, or simply want a modern upgrade, it may be time to explore your options. Houston's climate demands durable, energy-efficient windows. Upgrading your bow windows ensures your home stays cool, secure, and beautiful for years to come.